Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Plug in your controller or pair it over Bluetooth right now. Windows should show it under Devices. Once detected, install or update EAFC25, and if you plan to use Steam Input, enable Steam Big Picture. This gives mapping options. Make sure drivers are current. Modern controllers often use built-in drivers, but you may need OEM software for advanced features. Next, open Windows Game Controllers to confirm inputs respond. If buttons register correctly, move on to in-game mapping. Open Steam Input or EAFC25 controller settings and choose either default profile or create a custom one. Adjust stick dead zones and sensitivity so small thumb movements don't drift. This improves passing and dribbling precision. Assign modifiers like hold sprint or second stick controls to buttons you can reach comfortably. Once configured, launch training mode. Test passing, shooting, and directional dribbling to verify mapping and sensitivity. If inputs feel off, tweak small increments and retest until responses are reliable and predictable. Save your final controller profile, name it clearly, and back it up so you don't lose hours of tuning. Make sure remapping apps like DS4 Windows, X-input wrappers, or third-party overlays aren't conflicting. Close them if you see weird behavior. If the game loses input, fully quit and relaunch EAFC25 or reconnect the controller. This often clears X-input/HID conflicts. If drift or dead zones persist, recalibrate in Windows or remap problematic axes. Doing so fixes most remaining issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.